Soil-specific efficacy of mechanized rice planting and weeding equipment, a multi-terrain evaluation. By S. Vallal Kannan and Sangeeta Jeblin, We. Labor availability is one of the factors deciding the timely completion of sowing or transplanting at peak seasons of delta areas in rice cultivation. Mechanization supports the timely completion of operations and supports maintaining productivity with less cost of cultivation. Machinery performance especially depends on the soil type and crop ecosystem. With this background, the experiment was conducted with the objectives to assess the performance of current rice transplanter models and power weeder models in different soil conditions and reduce cultivation costs while improving rice production and profitability. A strip plot design was used, with major 3 soil types as the main plot treatments, existing rice transplanter 5 models as the subplot treatments, and current power weeder 3 models as the subplot treatments. Among the growth and yield parameters, the 6-row walking type transplanter combined with a Kono weeder showed superior performance, recording higher tillers and productive tillers, 16.28 and 20.65 per hill, filled grains, 113 and 145 per panicle, and seed yields, 5,922 and 5,733 kilograms ha-1. In sandy clay loam and sandy loam soils, respectively. This combination also achieved higher net returns, 70,195 rupees ha-1 and 55,343 rupees ha-1, and benefit cost ratios, BCRs, of 2.62 and 2.28. Additionally, it resulted in an extra grain yield of 1,769 kilograms ha-1 and 1,873 kilograms ha-1, with an additional net profit of 37,027 rupees ha-1 and 34,813 rupees ha-1 for sandy clay loam and sandy loam soils, respectively. In clay loam soil, the riding type 8-row transplanter combined with a single-row power weeder produced higher productive tillers, 15.25 per hill, filled grains, 122 per panicle, and seed yields, 5,506 kilograms ha-1, along with a higher net return of 58,175 rupees ha-1 and a BCR of 2.32. This combination also resulted in an additional grain yield of 1121 kg ha-1, leading to an extra net profit of 24,618 rupees ha-1 and a corresponding net income increase compared to traditional farming practices. In conclusion, using the 6-row riding type transplanter and Kono weeder, along with appropriate agronomic practices, is the key to achieving higher yields, net returns, and BCR in sandy clay loam and sandy loam soils. Similarly, the 8-row riding transplanter combined with a single-row power weeder is essential for higher yield performance and profitability in clay loam soil. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.